Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's class is for 12th and our topic is security in the contemporary world. Let we may first discuss what is security. In simple words, security means freedom from threats. It has different meaning. For an ordinary man, security means freedom from threats to his her life. But in international relations, it is quite different. It means freedom from threats which could endanger the core values, for example, sovereignty, independence, territorial integrity, etc. of a country. There are traditional and non-traditional notions of security also. Traditional security is that type of security which is mainly concerned with the national security. It relates only to dangerous threats that could endanger the core values of the state. The core values of sovereignty, independence, and territorial integrity. There are two types of threats to national security. Number first is external security. This is mainly concerned with military threats that emerge from another country. The use of military force not only endangers core values of the state, but soldiers and common citizens as well. The main components of traditional security are balance of power, alliance building, defense, and deterrence. Number second is internal security. The traditional concept of security is related with internal security of a state as well. Internal security threats are from communities living within their borders. Internal security threats also endanger core values of a state. If there is violence or threat of violence inside its borders, the state cannot prepare to face violence outside its borders. Thus, in order to secure human existence from various kinds of threats, there is need of cooperation both at the state and global level. The second one is non-traditional notion of security. Non-traditional security extends beyond military threats. It includes a wide range of threats and dangers affecting the conditions of human existence. Non-traditional security includes human security and global security. Let we discuss the human security. Human security means protection of people rather than protection of states. Human security and state security are often used interchangeably. But secure status doesn't mean that people are also secure. In fact, during last 100 years, more people have been killed by their own government rather than alien attacks. The narrow concept of human security focuses on violent threats to individuals. The broader The broader concept of human security includes threats like hunger, diseases, poverty, natural disasters, etc. Thus, broader concept of human security include economic security and prevention of human dignity. The broadest sense of human security includes both freedom from want and freedom from fear. This was the human security. Now there is global security. The concept of global security emerged in 1990s because of the global threats like global warming, international terrorism, and health epidemics like bird flu, AIDS, etc. No single country can resolve these problems alone because these problems are of global in nature. So all these problems need global cooperation on security, even though it seems difficult to achieve. Now some words we will discuss like balance of power. Balance of power means a big power which stabilizes peace in the region due to its strength. Alliance, coalition of states. Traditional security, security concerned only with internal and external threats in context of military force. And non-traditional security, new concept of security which includes human security and global security. So dear students, this was today's topic, security in contemporary world. We saw what is security and what are various notions of security. That is all. Okay.